Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Yes, it's me again and again and again and again. Right. So this is Jessica and for today's video, we will talk about what's the difference between tourist visa and visitor visa. Yes, you heard it correctly. This is tourist visa and visitor visa for Canada. And the reason why we will talk about this because I can see and observe many people still confused when it comes to what is tourist visa and visitor visa for Canada. And along with this video, we will tackle everything about it, and so please stay tuned. Okay? And did you know both a visitor visa and a tourist visa are categories of temporary resident visa or TRV in Canada that permit visitors and tourists from abroad to access the country for a brief stay. And of course, as we know, tourist is people engaging in tourism for leisure, relaxation, adventure, and cultural experiences, including experiencing the four seasons. Of course, here in Canada, we have four seasons. So many people wants to experience that. And for visitor visa, of course, that can be used for a variety of activities. It could be invited or visiting, invited by family, relatives, friends, or partner or fiance or boyfriend, girlfriend, anything, or visiting them for a reason. And also can be used also for having business meetings, conference meetings, trainings, and other work related in Canada. And let's talk about what's the difference with the application process. The application process and requirements for both tourist and visitor are generally similar. The tourist visa requires the applicant to demonstrate that the primary purpose of travel is for tourism activities such as sightseeing, cultural events, or leisure, and so on and so forth. And at the same time, she or he is required to cover all her or his expenses during her or his tour travel. While visitor visa requires a family, any relatives, friends, partner, or work related who lives in Canada and they inviting the applicant to visit them in Canada. The applicant need to demonstrate that the primary purpose of visit is for event, family gatherings, graduations, and other important occasions, work related, and for leisures as well. The inviter can sponsor the applicant such as food, accommodation, transportation, airfare, and so on and so forth. And for tourists, you have to put the purpose of your travel. For a visitor, you will be needing the invitation letter coming from the person who is inviting you to go here in Canada. If you are attending for conference or business meetings, trainings related to your work, you might be needing reference letter from your employer, invitation letter from your company or employer, visa support letter or conference letter. So that's the difference when it comes with tourist visa and visitor visa. So if you are still confused, don't hesitate to message me. I can further explain more about tourist visa and visitor visa. At the same time, I can help you or assist you on how to process your tourist or visitor visa. I will put my email on the description below. Feel free to message me.